So if you want to turn low data mode on or off, you will need to be running on iOS 13 or later. You can check this by going to the settings application, then scroll down and click on general, then click on software update at the top and make sure you're running on iOS 13 or later. So to turn low data mode on or off, the first thing you want to do is go to your settings application, then you want to go to mobile data in the middle of the screen. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on mobile data options at the top of the screen, and then at the very bottom of the list it will say mobile data where you can toggle it on or off. Now low data mode helps apps on your iPhone reduce their network consumption, so if you're low on data you can always enable this, and of course you won't run out of data as quickly. Now bear in mind that you will not get notified whether low data mode is on or off, so make sure you check back if you want to disable it and make the most of your cellular network. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.